Cardano value equivalent to 8.0603 rands a coin. The present cost range, 8.0296 8.2850. The earlier day close, 8.1669. The change was 0.1066, 1.31%. Converse rate, ZAR to ADA. Cardano cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Cardano cost forecast on Monday, April 17, cost 8.47 rands, high 9.06, low 7.88. Cardano gauge on Tuesday, April 18, cost 8.55 rands, high 9.15, low 7.95. Cardano cost forecast on Wednesday, April 19, cost 9.00 rands, high 9.63, low 8.37. Cardano gauge on Thursday, April 20, cost 9.01 rands, high 9.64, low 8.38. Cardano cost forecast on Friday, April 21, cost 9.27 rands, high 9.92, low 8.62. In multi-week Cardano estimate on Monday, April 24, cost 9.42 rands, high 10.08, low 8.76. Cardano cost forecast on Tuesday, April 25, cost 9.63 rands, high 10.30, low 8.96. Cardano estimate on Wednesday, April 26, cost 9.77 rands, high 10.45, low 9.09. Cardano cost forecast on Thursday, April 27, cost 9.82 rands, high 10.51, low 9.13. Cardano estimate on Friday, April 28, cost 9.61 rands, high 10.28, low 8.94. In about 14 days Cardano cost forecast on Monday, May 1, cost 9.65 rands, high 10.33, low 8.97. Cardano estimate on Tuesday, May 2, cost 9.70 rands, high 10.38, low 9.02. Cardano cost forecast on Wednesday, May 3, cost 9.68 rands, high 10.36, low 9.00. Cardano estimate on Thursday, May 4, cost 9.32 rands, high 9.97, low 8.67. Cardano cost forecast on Friday, May 5, cost 9.25 rands, high 9.90, low 8.60. In 3 weeks Cardano figure on Monday, May 8, cost 9.84 rands, high 10.53, low 9.15. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday, May 9, cost 9.64 rands, high 10.31, low 8.97. Cardano figure on Wednesday, May 10, cost 9.79 rands, high 10.48, low 9.10. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, May 11, cost 10.46 rands, high 11.19, low 9.73. Cardano figure on Friday, May 12, cost 10.17 rands, high 10.88, low 9.46. In about a month Cardano cost expectation on Monday, May 15, cost 10.34 rands, high 11.06, low 9.62. Cardano figure on Tuesday, May 16, cost 10.09 rands, high 10.80, low 9.38. Cardano value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Cardano cost expectation for April 2023. Initially cost at 7.09 rands. Excessive cost 10.51, while low cost 6.70. It arrived at the midpoint of cost 8.48. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 9.61. Change for April 35.5%. Cardano conjecture for May 2023. Before all else cost at 9.61 rands. Exorbitant cost 11.93, while low cost 8.60. The found the middle value of cost 10.32. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 11.15. Change for May 16.0%. Cardano cost expectation for June 2023. Initially cost at 11.15 rands. Excessive cost 13.16, while low cost 11.15. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 11.94. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 12.30. Change for June 10.3%. Cardano figure for July 2023. Initially cost at 12.30 rands. Excessive cost 12.52, while low cost 10.88. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 11.85. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 11.70. Change for July 4.9%. Cardano cost expectation for August 2023. Initially cost at 11.70 rands. Excessive cost 14.52, while low cost 11.70. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 12.87. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 13.57, change for August 16.0%. Cardano gauge for September 2023. To start with cost at 13.57 rands, exorbitant cost 13.57, while low cost 10.60. Found the middle value of cost 12.29. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 11.40, change for September 16.0%. Cardano cost expectation for October 2023. To start with cost at 11.40 rands, exorbitant cost 11.40, while low cost 8.91. Found the middle value of cost 10.32. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 9.58, change for October 16.0%. Cardano gauge for November 2023. To start with cost at 9.58 rands, exorbitant cost 9.66, while low cost 8.40. Found the middle value of cost 9.17. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 9.03, change for November 5.7%. Cardano cost expectation for December 2023. To start with cost at 9.03 rands, exorbitant cost 9.99, while low cost 8.69. Found the middle value of cost 9.26. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 9.34, change for December 3.4%. Cardano conjecture for January 2024. At the outset cost at 9.34 rands, excessive cost 9.34, while low cost 7.73. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 8.68. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 8.31, change for January 11.0%. Cardano cost expectation for February 2024. At the outset cost at 8.31 rands, excessive cost 10.20, while low cost 8.31. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 9.09. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 9.53, change for February 14.7%. Cardano conjecture for WAC 2024. At the outset cost at 9.53 rands, excessive cost 9.53, while low cost 7.45. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 8.63. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 8.01, change for spring 15.9%. Cardano cost expectation for April 2024. At the outset cost at 8.01 rands, excessive cost 8.01, while low cost 6.26. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 7.25. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 6.73, change for April 16.0%. ZAR to ADA conversion scale equivalent to 0.1241 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.1207-0.1245. The earlier days nearby 0.1224. Change for now plus 0.0017 plus 1.39%. ZAR to ADA cost expectation for in the not so distant future and month. Rand to Cardano estimate on Monday, April 17, cost 0.118 coins, high 0.127, low 0.110. ZAR to ADA expectation on Tuesday, April 18, cost 0.117 coins, high 0.126, low 0.109. Rand